Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And when Windows 10 actually arrived on the market in 2015, Microsoft was pushing hard for something that was unique to its platform. And of course, through the Microsoft Store, it wanted that all developers go to what was the Universal Windows Platform apps. And so, a lot of them kind of went there. It never really took on as a platform. And over time, it was obvious that it just didn't work out. One of the biggest competition with the Universal Windows Platform was the progressive web apps, PWAs, because those were compatible with any browser. So progressive web apps were much more interesting because if you did one that worked in Edge, it works in Chrome, it would work in pretty much every browser, as it's kind of a web form of an app that's running within a browser. So that was much more appealing because developers would do one app that would work on multiple browsers and multiple systems. Even without having apps running through Windows. It would just run in a browser, so it could run in any other machine, including a Mac. So the Windows Universal Platform, what the problem was, is it was a Windows-only platform. And so at first it was to be a platform that's universal for all the platforms that they deemed was going to be happening. And in 2015, one of them was Windows Phone. So Universal Windows Platform would work on Windows Phone, on Windows 10, and on whatever Windows device that would, just as long as it's running Windows, a form of Windows 10. But of course, it didn't take on. Windows Phone went away, and, progressive web apps was more popular. And today what we learn is that the start of the end is really taking place. So a couple of years ago, Microsoft had explained that they were killing the Universal Windows Platform. But they couldn't kill it, like it's dead starting today, because a lot of apps would have stopped working and developers would have been a little mad. So what they did is they took the platform and they did something called Project Reunion, which was able to have people that are or have done Universal Windows Platform apps, developers, were able to move on to the new Windows Software Development Kit. And so, they did a good job at having everybody just move on to something else. And that will be the future, of course. But it's interesting to see how a lot of the things that Microsoft do eventually, go away or are deprecated. So it's the first step. It's not gone, but it's the first step. It's being deprecated. It's kind of on a maintenance mode, if you want, for now on. And eventually we'll see what's going to happen, because it's kind of interesting when all of this is going to be gone. But at least there's a platform and there's a way for all of these apps and for all of these people to have you move on, basically. So bye-bye, Universal Windows Platform. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.